Mom, this soup is very warm and really good tonight.
I'm so glad you like it, sweetie. Eat slowly, my love, and enjoy every bite.
Mom, can I please have a little more bread?
Of course, baby, you can have more bread anytime.
Thank you, Mummy. I really love our home. It feels safe and cozy.
I love our home too. It is full of warmth.
Now eat your vegetables. They help you grow strong. Okay, I am eating them now. Do not worry. Mom, wait a second. Do you hear that strange sound?
What is it, sweetie? Tell me what you hear. There is a soft sound coming from the window. I hear it now too. Something is outside. Stay here, baby. I will go check outside. Oh my goodness, there is a small boy outside. He looks very cold and he is crying alone.
I am going outside right now to help him.
Emma, stay inside and do not open the door.
Okay.
Hey, little one, please do not be afraid of me. What is your name? Can you tell me slowly?
Noah. My name is Noah, and I feel very cold. I am freezing and I cannot stop shaking now. Please do not send me away. I am very scared.
I will not send you away. You are safe with me. Come inside with me, where it is warm and dry. Really? You will let me come inside with you? Yes, come inside now. You are safe here.
He is all wet. His clothes are soaked.
We will warm you up very quickly. Do not worry.
Okay.
Here are dry clothes. Please change into these.
This shirt feels soft and clean on my skin.
You are safe here. Nothing will hurt you tonight.
Thank you. Come sit with us at the table, little one.
Here is a warm bowl of soup just for you.
Thank you. This is the best soup I have ever tasted. Mom is a great cook. She always makes good food.
Noah, can you tell me where your mother is?
She's gone. She left me at the shelter. I do not have a mother anymore.
What about your father? Is he somewhere nearby?
I don't know. I do not have a father either. Then where do you live every day? I live in a place called an orphanage. What is an orphanage? I do not understand.
It is a place for children without families.
It is very cold there, and not very kind. nobody hugs you or shows you any love there. Nobody says goodnight or cares about you. I just wanted to feel warm for once. I wanted someone to care about me. I can see you, Noah, and I care about you. Thank you, Emma. That makes me feel better.
You can stay here tonight with us, safely.
I can stay here with you tonight?
Yes, you are safe and welcome in this home.
Nobody has ever said that to me before.
Finish your soup first. You need your strength.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome, dear. Take your time.
Can I have a little more bread as well?
Yes, of course. You can have more bread. What is that loud sound at the door?
No, that is Mrs. Brown. She found me. Please don't let me go, Sarah. I want to stay here with you and Emma. Please do not let her take me away again.
Good evening. We are looking for a boy. We believe he is inside this house now.
Ma'am, we need to take the boy back to the orphanage as per regulations. He ran away from the orphanage tonight.
He is safe here. He was freezing outside. I need you to return him immediately.
This is just procedure, ma'am. The orphanage has legal custody.
Please, Sarah, do not let them take me away.
I am so sorry, Noah. This is very hard. I have to follow the law, even if it hurts. But I will come and see you tomorrow. Promise.
Please do not cry, Noah. You are not alone. Goodbye, Sarah. Goodbye, Emma. Thank you for everything.
Thank you for the soup and the warm home.
You're very welcome, Noah. They took him away, and I feel so empty.
I know, baby. I feel the same way too.
Can we help Noah and bring him back here?
We are going to try our best to help him.
You came to visit me like you promised. We did. I brought you something special from home. Thank you, Emma.
Is that really for me? Are you sure?
Yes, his name is Sunny, and he is yours now. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, Emma. I will take care of it.
Noah, I want to do something very important. I want to adopt you and be your family.
You really want me to be your son? I want a brother, and I choose you, Noah.
Why do you think you can adopt this child? Because we can offer him a stable and loving home. We've prepared everything for Noah's arrival, and he's already part of our family in every way. He deserves this chance, and we'll give him the stable home he needs. And I have so much love to give him.
You are a single mother.
This is difficult. I will prove I can give him a good life. I will follow every rule and pass every test.
Noah is gonna love his new room so much. Yes, he definitely is.
Yes! Noah is coming home with you.